Hi, Mike from Mike's Carburetor Parts. Working on a Rochester B 1 barrel, and I broke the main well tube the other day, and I want to show you how to put it in. First of all, we got to take the float out, and we have to remove the main well. That's this right here, main well post or main post, whatever. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove some of these loose things here. It's a power piston, and we'll move the needle, and we'll have to blow it all out when we're done. But right here is where that tube sits, and it's just pressed in there. And so what we're going to do, let's see, it looks like it's a little bent. There, see, just popped right out. Now, if you don't have anything to grab hold of, then what I got here was a drill bit. I drill it out. Now these are 3/32. The tube, that's not the tube, sorry, there's the tube, 3/32, but you don't want to use a 3/32 bit. I got a 1/16 bit. So 1/16 is 2/32, so it's just slightly smaller than 3/32. And what I would do is drill it, and chances are pretty good that once it gets down there, the remaining part of the tube is going to come out and wrap around the drill bit. It's happened hundreds of times with me. So. But since it just came out, it just poked in there, pressed. This end has a slight, yeah, it's the flat end that goes in there. So I'm using this plastic hammer filled with sand or whatever they put in it to give it some weight, and that did the trick. Get it so it's not wiggly, and this did it without damage in the brass. If you use a regular hammer, you're surely going to mess up the brass on the end here. So that's it. We got it in there, so you normally would blow it all out, and I didn't drill it, so I don't have to worry about too much about little pieces of metal. And we'll put the needle back in there, and then the power piston with the spring goes in here. Remember, that power piston always has to move up and down freely. And we got our main post, and see the little check ball in there, the power for the power check ball. There's a check ball, a spring, and then the cap, and that's the main jet. So I got a rebuild video out there. Be sure to watch that if you're working on your carburetors. Lots of information on that one. So, and what that tube does, it goes up here, up towards the main jet, and just helps carry the fuel where it needs to go. Okay. Be gentle. Get everything lined up so that you don't mess something up. Alright, there you go. And of course we have to put it back in the carburetor, but which we will do later. Alright, so there you go. That's how we do it. So you can find that part at mikescarb.com. I'll put a little link on the description. So go to Mike's Carb, MIKESCARB.com. and there it is. Okay, thank you for watching this.